Good day everyone. In this video, I will be showing you how to add or edit margins in Google Docs. This tutorial will be pretty straightforward and really easy to follow, so anyone should be able to do this if you watch carefully. Now, let's get started. As you can see right here, I have opened a Google Docs file. Now, I would like to edit the margin of its left side, top side, right side, and bottom side. Is it possible to edit those manually? The answer is yes, and that is what I am going to show you in this video. Now, editing the margin can be pretty useful, especially if you are writing an academic paper, such as a research paper, a thesis paper, or any other academic text that requires a specific formatting. Now, let's get started with the tutorial itself. As you can see on the top portion of our screen, we have different options to choose from, especially on the ribbon area. Here we can see the different tabs that we can use. For this tutorial, let's focus on the File tab. Click the File tab once, which will drop down tons of menu to choose from, and from the File tab, please head over to the Page Setup tab. Click on it once, and as you can see right here, we have the margins. For most case scenario, you would probably use margins in terms of inches. However, if it's in centimeters, please feel free to use Google to translate or convert inches to centimeters and vice versa, whichever is applicable to your use. Let's say for example, I would like to keep the top at 1 inch. I would just remain the top margin as 1 as well as the bottom as 1. What if I would like the left side to be 2 inches? I would just click on it once, delete this one number or numerical value by hitting the backspace on my keyboard, and changing it to 2 using my keyboard. Now, let's say for example, I would like my right margin to be 1.5 inches. All I have to do is to add a 0.5 in the numerical value that is inputted right here. And as simple as that, we have now changed the margin of our document. If you want every margin, the top, bottom, left, and right margin to be all the equal, just put the same numerical value as all of the other one right over here on the corresponding text box. But for me, I would like to keep it this way. Now, since I'm satisfied with this margin setting, all I have to do is to click OK. And now as you can see, we have changed the margin on the left side as well as the right side of our document, while the top side and the bottom side remained 1 inch. That concludes it for this video. If you learned something, please consider subscribing and dropping a like. If you want more videos like this, we have created a specific playlist dedicated to Google Docs tutorial on our YouTube channel. I'll see you guys next time, and thank you for watching.